distributive property today. And the distributive property is going to help us do multiplication problems that we don't know how to do. So what are some facts that we already know? Can you tell me some facts that we already know? Kevin, what are some facts that we already know? We know 5s, we know 3s. Alana, what else do we know? 1s and 6s we've learned, yeah. Kylan, what else? We haven't learned 10s, but oh yeah, we learned 5s and 10s. Yeah, you're right. Michelle?
2s and 4s?
2s and 4s, perfect. So we've learned 5s and 10s, 2s and 4s, 1s, and 3s and 6s. What else, everyone? Zeros. Perfect. So we know how to do all of those, but if they throw a 7 at us, or a 9, or an 8, we're not sure how to do that yet. So we're going to learn a property that shows us how to do it. So we're going to be using the blocks today. And I'm going to show you one up here before we start and we're all doing it together. So, you can tell me what this problem is. Look up here and tell me a multiplication problem that would go with this array. What is the multiplication problem that we could write for this array? Aspen, what can we write?
We can write 6 goes down and 9 across.
Close. Oh, it is. Perfect. So we're going to do 6 times 9. Perfect. So it is 6 rows down and 9 across. So we don't know how to do that, but we are going to use the distributive property to do it. So this is kind of what we learned about yesterday, where we multiply by 5 first, and then we add the extra group when we're doing 6. So we're going to do that exact same strategy with this one to start. So we're going to divide it right here. We're going to take this last group off. And now what problem do we have up here? Rajan, if you can tell me what problem we can do for that array up here. Twilight?
5 times 9.
5 times 9. Perfect. And we know how to do our 5s, but we still need to do a problem for this one that we took off. Andrew, what should we do? We have 5 times 9 for this one. What is this one? What can we write? What multiplication problem can we write for this one? Yeah.
1 times 9.
1 times 9. Perfect. Did we take away any blocks from the 6 times 9 array?
Yeah.
Did we take any away? Did we move any off? We moved it down, but are there still the same number of blocks here total?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're still finding 6 times 9. We're just breaking it up into easier facts. So what is 5 times 9, everyone?
45.
You got it? Alright. Okay, ready on 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
45.
And 1 times 9, that's easy, everyone?
9.
So now we're just going to add 45 and 9 to get 6 times 9. So 45 plus 9 is 14. 14. We have to carry the 1. And it's 54. So we know that 6 times 9 is 54. So even though we didn't know how to solve 6 times 9, we can break it up into easier problems that we do know how to do and solve the problem. And that's the distributive property when we separate it into 2 easier parts and add them together.